Hi, I'm Rob Robinson from Stardraw.com, and we're here at InfoComm 2019 to talk about Stardraw Design 7.3. This is our 7th generation design and documentation software tool that we've developed from the ground up specifically for AV systems integrators. It's a configurable software package that allows you to do all of your system drawings and the documentation that supports your projects. So, for example, with Stardraw Design 7.3, you can quickly generate sales presentations, floor plans and reflected ceiling plans. We're compatible with AutoCAD, so you can import DWG files and edit them. You can also import PDF files and edit those as well, and then send them back out as DWG or PDF. Moving on down to show your system interconnections, we have a block schematic module. So this focuses on the inputs and outputs of products, has cable presets, and from this you can also generate your cable schedule and equipment list. We have a rack layout module, which shows in high detail the front and rear of your 19-inch racks, as well as a side view showing clearances for product depth and connections. We also have a panel layout module for custom metalwork, a product view, integrated reporting, and we are an authorized Autodesk developer, so we're fully compatible with AutoCAD and PDF. So please do check out Stardraw Design 7.3 at www.stardraw.com. Thank you.